I'm trying to learn the Blender. First, I learn the interface. Then I try to create and manipulate simple shapes, scaling, rotation, and move around the scene. Then I try to attach one part to another. Then I try to animate this part. I'm looking for a way to make a cycle. It's very easy to do in Blender. I duplicate the parts. I set the start point and the end point so that the last frame of the scene looks like the first frame of the beginning of the scene. I select simple materials, then simple light, and set the render. The initial steps are quite simple in Blender, but looking at the tutorials on the internet, you realize that the depth of each topic, light or materials or rendering is quite deep, and you need to study each one. So what follows is